Creating videos with AI is getting so easy every day. Let me show you how I created Nollywood-standard movie for free without paying for any AI tool. For free, I created these movies. Let's go and watch the movie together.
My heart's a drum, it skips a beat. When you're around, I'm on repeat. It leaks emotions through the cracks. Can't hold it back when love attacks. I built a wall, but it caved in. It smiles the finish, my walls can't win. It's foolish how I give it all, but with you near, I'll take the fall. My heart is out of time, dancing to your every line. It speaks in whispers, shouts and cries. My heart is yours, it never lies.
You forgot us.
Walked alone through silent nights, till you arrived with crashing lights. Your laughter turned the tides within.
Now, you guys have seen the movie. I created this movie for free without paying for anything. As you can see, how consistent the movie is, how the character on the movie, how consistent they are. Everything was created for free without paying for any AI tool. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like this. You can create up to 10 minutes video, 50-minute video, 1 hour video for free. With this method, I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you pay attention and watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we'll teach you how you can use AI to create videos, how you can use AI for free, and also how you can use AI to edit your images. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, let me take you guys to my desktop screen and show you how I created that entire video for free without paying for any AI tool. Let's get started.
Now, these are all the video scene. As you can see, these are all the video scene here. Now, I'll be showing you guys how I generated the entire video scene here. As you can see, these are all the video scene. I'll be showing you guys how I generate all the video scene. And the first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT. I've been using ChatGPT to generate all my videos. Now, this is what I gave to ChatGPT here. I said I want to create to 50 minutes long Nollywood-standard movie using Grok AI. So write me a professional movie script with 6 seconds of each scene, and I want it to be modern Nollywood movie. Everything they will say and do should be like Nigeria movie, and also the actor and actress. So this is what ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, say realistic check important. So he gave me all this. He gave me this. He asked me what I need from you before writing. So he asked me, is it a romantic, family drama, crime? As you can see, betrayal, language, settings, which place I want the movie should be. Is it in Lagos? Is it in Abuja? So which actress did I want? He asked me for the actress. He writes everything for me, and I respond. This is my response to ChatGPT. I mean family drama, English pidgin, village to city, all the actors and actress, classic, modern, Netflix. As you can see, this is what I gave to ChatGPT. And finally, ChatGPT gave me my prompt, which I use for the video. So these are all the prompts ChatGPT gave me, which I use for all the videos. So as you can see, this is all the prompt. And after I get all these prompts, the next thing I did was to head over to Grok AI, where I generated my video scene. Now to do this, the first thing I do was to take the first video scene here. As you can see, this is the first video scene. This is the location. As you can see, say location, village, compound, money, and virtual are these sweeping where her brother Kensley dressed smartly with a small bag. So all I just have to do is just to copy this like this. I'll click on copy, and after I copy this, I will hand over to this AI to call Grok AI. As you can see, Grok AI, and the next thing I have to do is to click on imagine here. If you have been following my channel, I've been teaching you guys how you can generate videos with Grok AI. I've been teaching that a lot in my channel here. So you can follow those methods, or if today is the first time you are coming across this channel, you can check my previous videos, and it's going to show you how you are going to generate videos using Grok AI with just a prompt, and you can generate a video. Now the next thing I did was to come over here and I click on paste. and I paste the video script which I just copy right now, and I click on generate. And after clicking on generate, in less than 1 minute, it generates my video for me. So all you just have to do is just to give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video for you. Grok AI is one of the best AI tools that generates text to video in less than 1 minute. It's not even up to a minute and it's going to generate the video. So meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button. Now, Grok AI has successfully generated our video for us. Now, let's see the video. As you can see, this is the video where Adeze was sweeping, just the way the prompt says, as you can see. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to post this, and after we post this, we click on download, and it's going to download this to our phone. And after a successful download, the next thing we are going to do is to forward this our video. Make sure we forward it to the end here, as you can see. We just forward it to the end. And after you forward it to the end, you right click on your laptop and you click on copy video frame. After you click on copy video frame, the next thing you're going to do is to go back here, and after you go back, you come down here and you right click again and you click on paste. Now, after you successfully paste the video frame, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to Grok AI again, is to head over to ChatGPT again, and you copy of scene 2. As you can see, this is the scene 2 here. You copy it again, location, as you can see. You copy it. You go back to Grok AI. And you paste it here. And you click on generate again. And when you click on generate, Grok AI is going to generate the video scene for scene 2. So you just give it some minutes and it's going to generate it. This is the method you will be using to generate all the video scene one by one. All you just have to do, you copy your video scene from ChatGPT and you come back to Grok AI. Make sure when you come back to Grok AI, you do copy video frame, just the way I showed you 1 minute ago. You do copy video frame and the video is going to continue from where it stopped. Now, let me post it again. And after I paste it, the next thing I will do is to click on download. And after I download, I will move this to the end of the video. After moving this to the end of the video, the next thing I will do, I will right click again. I will click on copy video frame. Then I will go back. And after going back, I will paste the video frame here. After pasting it, the next thing I'm going to do again is to head over to ChatGPT again. After head over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy my next video scene, which is the scene 3. Let's copy the scene 3 here. This is it. We copy it. You right click, you copy it. After you copy, you come back to Grok AI. This is our frame we copied 1 minute ago. Then we paste our script here and we click on continue, and it's going to generate it again. So this is the method you are going to use to generate all the video scene. Even though you want 10-minute video, 1 hour video, 15-minute video, 3 hours video, this is the method you are going to be using, and you'll be generating the video scene one by one. And after you successfully generate the video scene, you head over to your CapCut or any video editing tool, and you are going to edit your video. You match them together, you put them together and edit them, and your video is going to look so nice. Now, as you can see, this is the next scene here, and you click on paste, you post it, and you click on download. And after you download, you move this to the end of the video and you click on copy video frame again, and you do the same thing just the way we do a moment ago.
Now, after you successfully create on the video scene and you add everything together on your video editing tool. You can use CapCut, you can use InShot, any video editing tool, and you edit your video, you add your transition, export your video, and your video is going to look nice, like this one you watch right now.
Hard to drown, it skips a beat. When you're around, I'm on repeat. It leaks emotions through the cracks. Can't hold it back when love attacks. I built a wall, but it caved in. It smells the finish, my walls can't win. It's foolish how I give it all, but with you near, I'll take the fall. My heart, it's out of time, dancing to your every line. It speaks in whispers, shouts and cries. My heart is yours, it never lies.
You forgot us.
Lost alone through silent nights. nights. So you arrived with crashing lights. Your laughter turned the tides within.
So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when you drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.